Welcome everybody, Marcus Stone here. In this video I want to show you how you can blur a part of your video in Adobe Premiere 2019, and it's really simple. So let's say I have a clip of a woman here and there is like, I don't know what is this object here. You can see it, right? And let's say that I want to blur it. So let's go. We are going to Effects and we are going to write blur. And you will have here the Gaussian blur. Take it and paste it on your video. And you will have it here, Gaussian blur, and you will have the circle ellipse mask or polygon mask. Like which one you want, it's completely up to you. So we are going to choose ellipse mask. And now I'm going to paste it on my, I think it's a duck. I don't know what is that. But we are going to blur it hard. Like that, like that. Like that. Okay, okay. Like this. Okay, okay. Okay, okay, okay. Yep, this should be enough. Let's go like this. Now what you can do is just increase the blurriness. And as you can see, it's gone. And you can see it. So this is how you blur part of your video. It was really simple. You can also animate it with opacity and with keyframes if you want. But this is how you actually blur part of your video. If you enjoyed this video, you can support me and subscribe. You know how it goes. I would really thank you for that. And so again, thank you very much, everybody. Goodbye, and have a I wanted to say good life, but yeah, have a good life. See ya.